exercising.
You're what?
I exercise.
You're exercising?
Yeah.
What are you exercising on?
On the bike. Mom. On the bike with lights off.
Oh. Is that hard?
On this bike.
You're exercising on that bike?
Yeah. Because it has a wire.
What does exercise mean?
Exercise means exercise.
What does that mean, though?
Means exercise your energy.
Exercise your energy?
Yeah.
I like that. Is that hard?
No.
What kind of shoes you got on there?
Boots.
Your boots?
Yeah.
Is it easy to exercise in boots?
Yeah.
Are you done?
Wait a second. I have to pull this off.
Where are you going?
I just have to pull something up.
I think it's good. You can leave it.
I don't want it like that. It's stuck.
Oh, well. You gonna finish exercising?
Yeah. I finished to exercise in a whole bunch.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm done. You have a thought. And
I will have a turn
yeah.
when you're done.
When you're done, you exercise, I exercise. You have to share. Oh, Mom.
We share.
Yeah.
We take turns.
Yeah.
You tell me when you're done.
I'm not done yet. Yes, I take your face of me.
You have to take a picture?
Yeah.
Well, did you say cheese?
Yeah. See?
There you go. What a great picture. You're a good exerciser.
Yeah. They send a bad exercise.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. How old are you, Aaron?
4.
You're 4?
Yeah. I said 4.
Still 4. When do you turn 5?
At 14 o'clock.
At 14 o'clock you're going to turn 5? Hey.
I have to do something.
What are you doing?